Hello again, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. In this section we're going to be looking at managing worksheets, moving, copying, inserting, deleting, and applying colors to worksheet. So this worksheet you're seeing, it's made of student names, their scores and grading. So let's say I want to move this worksheet to another workbook. What do? I'll just click on, this is the worksheet that is open, student scores. So first of all, I would like to show you how to change a worksheet name. Just double click, see where my arrow was, double click, it's going to highlight the sheet, and you can now change, delete and insert. I'll still write my student scores again, click enter. It's edited already. So let's say I want to move this worksheet in this same workbook, but maybe by this to this end or to this end. You can just double click it and you drag. Okay, this is where I dragged it, or you can still drag it, drop it here. And so whenever you insert a worksheet or move, before, it will always drop before the whatever you selected. You can see I dragged it to this, it dropped before it. So that is how to move a worksheet, by dragging. Another way you can move a worksheet is you right click. When you right click, you are going to see this insert, delete, name, move or copy. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on move. See, it's going to show me move selected sheet to workbook. So this workbook now is the one that is selected. If you click on this drop down arrow, you are going to see another workbook that is also open on my system. So this book one is another workbook that is open, but guess what, I want to move this same worksheet to this same workbook. So I'll just select the workbook, and it's saying move before. You can see before sheet. So which sheet do I want to move it before? So it's already before pivot table, but I still want to move it. Okay, let me move it before sheet 7. You can look at this sheet 7 here. So I'll just click yeah. Do I want to move and still leave a copy selected? No, I don't want to leave a copy, I just want to move it. So let me just click on move. You can see what happened. This same worksheet has been moved before pivot table chart 2 before sheet 7. So this is how to move a worksheet. If I wanted it to move and still leave a copy, I would just click on the create a copy, and once it moves, it is going to leave a copy for me. You can see what happened. Sorry, something happened because I didn't select move before sheets. Let me undo this so that you will see what happened. So this is it. I'll just right click, I'll click on move. Look at, I will say move before sheet 7. I didn't click on move before sheet 7, so it simply moved before Excel class. That's my first sheet. So I'll just say leave a copy. So you can see what happened. It's telling me that student score 3, because when you look at this side, you see that student score 2 is already open. So Excel is automatically naming them for me. So this is how to move worksheet. I'll just undo those my actions. I'll undo them. So let's also say that you want to move this worksheet to another workbook that is open. You can see we have 2 workbooks that is open. This is book 1. You can see there is nothing in book 1. So I want to move that particular worksheet to another workbook. Remember, let me just say that if you want to navigate from an open to an open workbook, you can just use your control tab. So it's going to bring up any workbook that is open, navigate between workbooks. So let's say that I want to move this particular sheet to book 1 that is open. I'll just right click and my move, click on it. You can see to book. I'll click on this drop down arrow, then I can choose my book 1. You can see book 1 is open. I'll move to the end. I can click on leave a copy because I want a copy to still be here. If I do not want a copy to still be here, I will uncheck this. So I'll just click OK. trust me, it has opened book 1 for me. I can see sheet 1, you can see score. So this is how to move a worksheet from another workbook to another workbook. Next thing we are going to look at is how to insert worksheet. If you want to insert worksheet, basically, let me delete this. Okay, this is how to delete. If you want to insert worksheet, you can decide to click on this cross icon here, or better still, you select a worksheet, right click, and you're going to see this insert tab here. Click on insert. It's going to bring out this dialog box for you. You can see worksheet is already selected, so I can just click yes, please insert. It will insert sheet 4 for me, so it's already naming it. If I want to rename it, I'll double click it to highlight and I will rename it. But I don't want to rename, neither do I need this sheet, so I'll just delete. This is how to delete a worksheet. And another thing we are going to look out for is how to lock sheet. Sometimes when you work with Excel, you don't want people to play or manipulate your figures, your calculations. So what you need to do is to lock it, so that when you send it to them, they will not be able to manipulate the data on that sheet. So if you want to unlock sheet, just right click, you see that's protect sheet. Click on protect sheet. It's going to tell you, it's going to bring out a whole lot of things like allow users of this sheet too. So you can see format cells, in fact select locked cells, select unlocked cells. The thing is, I want to lock the sheet, so I'll just say password to unlock or protect the sheet. So I'll just put my password. When I click OK, it's going to bring confirmation to confirm it. So I'll still click OK. So you can see nobody can type anything. If you want to type, it's going to bring up this cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So basically no one can manipulate this except me. So I'll just unlock this, double click, it's going to bring out on protect sheet. You enter your password and that is it. So applying themes and color, when you look at this my workbook, you can see different colors of worksheet. So how do you do this? Is more of cosmetic purposes. So let me pick this pivot that is not colored, or there's no theme applied to it. So I'll just just right click. So it's going to you're going to see this tab color. So bringing out a lot of color for me. You can see standard color and you can see theme color. If you watch Excel for Beginners part 3 or part 4, you're going to see the difference between standard colors and theme colors. So standard colors do not change when you're applying Excel Office theme, while theme colors change. So I'm just going to select this beautiful standard color. It has been applied. So when I move this, you can see this color has been applied. So this is how to basically manage your worksheet. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching. My name is Oikachi. See you in the next class. Bye.